peer port control is Gaualofa.
So over the last 8 weeks, we've had a number of guest speakers come in and speak with us. So those were the components at the beginning. Now we're into the traditional navigation, traditional sailing.
They will ship is Gaualofa. Means broken love or compassionate love.
So the project's called Talita O Le Lumana'i, so more or less protector of the future. Our intention is to build leadership capacity with these young people.
I enjoy thinking about the way our parents lead and our ancestors being traveling around the islands.
Well, I'm actually from Hawaii. I'm not from Samoa, so this has been a really great way, I think, for me to get to know a little bit more about Samoan culture, particularly about what connects all of us as Pacific Islands, and that's a lot of it is voyaging.
Just like tattooing and weaving and all this is a part of Samoa too. But for a while we have not been doing the sailing, but now we are reviving this tradition.
And our intention was to create a platform for young people to engage in their Indigenous knowledge, in environmental issues, and really just have those deep conversations that we need to have to find solutions. It's a big learning for all of us because we come on here, we have to make sure that everyone's safe. We have to be able to take instruction that's quite direct and not get too offended. So all of these things, I think, build capacity in us and make us better people.